Well, Donair Express is one of the oldest Donair shops in Edmonton and probably Western Canada. We have been here over 30 years. We respect our customers. That's why we try always to bring the best quality of meat and the best quality of spices. So this is your last Donair and first one.
That first and last, right? So now
Well,
we'll make
anyway,
sure she comes
hopefully we'll
back.
see you again. You take care. Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
Now, through all these years, we have been always struggling to get the best quality of meat. We tried many places, and if we don't like the meat, we will not serve it. Donair with water and little meat and lots of soy flour is not Donair. Donair is when you blend a good quality meat with good quality spices, and that's what we do. We make it ourselves by hand to make sure it is the best. A chicken donair, as most people call it here, it's made from a good quality deboned chicken. We marinate the whole thing for 2 days in our special sauce. Then we stack it on the spit and we roast it slowly. We get all the veggies that you like, cheese if you want. It's yummy with pickles and garlic sauce. Also, you can use sweet sauce and the honey herb with the chicken. Come and try it and you will see the difference. Our sauce, we make it also in-house. We have sweet, honey herb, garlic, tzatziki, ranch, hot sauce, and anything you like, we can make it for you. The Donair shop, now they're boiling starch, which costs $2 a kilo, adding sugar and vinegar to it, and they call it sweet sauce. Sweet sauce must be good quality evaporated milk with vinegar and sugar and spices. Period.
That's a beautiful donair.
The last sauce that I created is the honey herb sauce. Honey herb is, first of all, less 50% calories of the sweet sauce. And it's made also in-house, and we're the only one in Edmonton that make it right now. That it is a blend of honey, a little bit brown sugar, there is some vinegar in it, and our own recipe of spices. It tastes yummy, and I'll tell you, lots of our customers who try it now, they are using it as a dip for chicken finger, chicken nuggets, for their fries. Come and try it. Trust me, if you don't try it, you're missing a lot. No worries, just raise your hand and they will line up like...
I don't want to raise my hand, I'm good.
We're proud of what we make and we respect our customers. Welcome to Donair Express.